Good morning, friends. Welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Canara Robeco Blue Chip Fund Direct Equity Plan. And this fund is a large cap fund, and it is known in short form CR Blue Chip Fund, CR Equity Fund. And the plan is a direct plan only. We will be reviewing the plans funds in whatever mutual fund we are reviewing. That will be direct plans only, and it's you need to go through each and every review and select your fund accordingly. You should not be like that. You should not invest all the funds. You should not be invested in all of the mutual fund. You need to select two three funds, good fund, according to your profile, according to your risk category. Based on that you can do the investment. It's not necessary you invest in all funds. That will be unnecessarily. You will be reducing your overall performance. Best performance, you need to pick best performing fund and good ranked fund from each category, like ELSS for tax saving purpose and long term wealth creation. You can invest in one ELSS fund, one blue chip fund. You can invest one mid cap. Instead of mid cap, you can do in multi investment in multi cap fund. For small cap also, you can go for small amount of your overall portfolio. Like that, you can select few funds, two three funds, or maximum five funds. Above that, if you are investing, it will be very difficult for you to track, and you will be cross investing in the same stocks through multiple funds, which is not very good for your portfolio overall. And you need to have a small amount as a reserve when the market is crashing. You should not be invested fully in any fund, or through SIP or through lump sum. You should have some part of your investable amount as a reserve, so that when the market crashes you can invest that fund. So we'll be going to the review of this fund. Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund Direct Growth Plan is having NAV of 27.730 as on 3rd July 2020. It is having 5-star ranking by CRISIL, and the fund is very good. If you can see the rank of this fund for 5 years, 3 years and 1 year, 1 year, 2 years, it is having first rank, and then 3 years and 5 years second rank. And the returns also very good. Analyzed return of 5 for 5 years 8.9, still in the middle of this coronavirus crisis where market gone down. Although things are good, and only for 6 months it is showing negative return, which is negligible, and for 3 months it has given plus 26.6% of positive return. And the fund is very good. If you can see the returns, and the rating also very good. So overall the fund is very good, and we will see more information about this fund. This is a large cap fund and open ended fund, and the benchmark is BSE 100, S&P BSE 100, and the fund manager is Sanjay Benbalkar. Portfolio, if you can see, the major portfolio is in banking and finance sector, which is having 36.79% exposure, and technology, engineering, pharmaceutical, all those having balanced approaches. The only worrying thing is that banking and finance sector is having 36.79. Even though the banking sector and finance sector is a growth sector, in coming days, due to economic crisis because of the coronavirus lockdown, it is possible that there will be some pressure in banking and finance sector, which may affect the return of this fund from here onwards. But considering the previous history and the performance of this fund, it's a very good, it will be long term, you can see very good returns from this fund. So overall this fund is very good, and you can start SIP in this fund. If you are new investor, or if you are an existing investor, you can continue your SIP. For lump sum amount, I would recommend you should not put all your money in this fund directly. You can wait for some time, or you can do STP, or part by part. You can divide your fund into simple part, 5 or 6 parts, and then invest one by one. Also you can hold your money for some time, because the level which index Nifty has reached is almost 10,500 level, which is not sustainable compared to the fundamentals of the market. So this month or next month or over a period of 6 months you can see a good correction, and Nifty will come back to its bottom level. So at that point of time you can invest, but you should not wait for that bottom to come, because nobody can predict that market when it will be bottom. One thing you can do is do not invest all your money at this high level. You can invest part by part. One part you can invest right now, the other parts when the market is going down you can invest. Like that you can plan. And the considering the fund performance also, it is a very good fund. You can definitely go for investment in this fund. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.